Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and over the last several weeks, I've been trying to find the best cases for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. I think I found it. So today we're going to take a look at cases from Spigen for, again, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now, over the last several weeks, I've been trying to find the best cases for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. And I'll tell you, I'm looking at two specific categories that need to be satisfied. One, I didn't want anything that had a sticky material to it that had to stick to the actual case itself. And two, I wanted something that would support wireless charging and also that was going to be very protective so that I wouldn't ruin the actual case if I dropped them, and also that had like a little hook that I can connect either to my keys or to a backpack. So as we take a look at these two products are from Spigen, and they actually fall into those two categories. We have the silicone fit, and we also have the rugged armor. And the silicone fit actually falls into the category that I don't want. It actually has these little tabs right here, and you can see that they're right here, that has a little sticky material here. It's not that this is a bad choice, but I was looking for something that had no glue. Now the second is the rugged armor, and the rugged armor I found that snap-on. It doesn't require any kind of glue whatsoever. So we're going to install them both on our Buds Live, and we're going to see the differences. Both of them support wireless charging, but both of them have a different look and feel. So let's get right to it. Now the first one I'm going to install is going to be the rugged armor. And what I like about it is that it's a snap-on case, right? It doesn't really require anything else except snapping into place. So all I'm going to do is snap it just like this, right? It's in place. And then I'm going to take the top cover. This back portion goes right here. I'm going to snap this into place as well. And that's it. There's nothing else to it. You open it and you close it and you're set to go. And it has a little hook right here that comes with each one of these that you can put connect this here, and then this basically could go onto your key ring, it could go on a backpack, it could go in any other area. But this makes it really nice, protected. It has kind of like a carbon fiber look on the top and on the bottom. And if we were to take a look at the wireless charging, which we'll test in a second, it will support wireless charging. Now the second one that we have here, we're going to put on the white version. This has a sticky material. Right now, I have sticky material type versions in the past, and they work well. I just didn't want that version. I wanted something that was just easy to remove since I go through so many cases, or I test so many cases. So it has your sticky material right there. It's only on one side. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take your case, you're going to flip it on the back right here, and then all you'll do is just slide it in, align it the best as you can so that you have the kind of USB-C there aligned nicely. Okay, this one has a softer finish to it. And then we're going to do the same thing with this one right here. So far that looks pretty good. And I'm going to remove this sticky material. And you'll notice that the sticky material is only in one spot, right? So it's not all the way around. And that's why I found that this was a little bit more acceptable. I found some other models where there's sticky material everywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically start from the back because I want to make sure that my alignment is right. And then once I have that in place, I'll go ahead and put the front down. Okay, so I think that's where I want it to be, and you see I'm happy with the way that looks. We'll go ahead and maybe move it a little bit over to the side right here so that it's more aligned like that. And now when I open this, it's also pretty nice and secure. So these are the two versions. My preference, the one that has no sticky material. It's a little bit thicker, right? This is going to be easier in your pocket. This one is going to be a little bit larger, but both of them support wireless charging. Now the first thing that we'll do is we'll test the tough armor. I'm going to put it here on this wireless charger, and you should see that little LED will turn on. There you go, it's on, so it's wireless charging. And then we'll do the same thing with this one over here. We'll go ahead and place it right on the wireless charger, and then we should see that LED turn on. So both of them support wireless charging. So guys, these are my choices when it comes to cases for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. We have a lot of other accessories and products that we reviewed on the channel, so make sure you check out this playlist.